Hey y'all, it's Keyshana and thank y'all so much for joining me in today's Soft Girl Self-Love Daily Habits. I've been practicing self-love and self-care a lot more lately, y'all, so that I'm making sure I'm staying stress-free, healthy, productive, happy, and at peace. I'll be doing so many more videos like this, but if you enjoyed the vibes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Cut your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my hands in my shit. I should've came from you, yesterday. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, baby, you don't care.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Mango Jim. Y'all could call me also Keyshana, that is my real name. Thank y'all so much for joining me in today's video. I am just so okay. If you fucking with the vibes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But I was just relaxing, and I literally just checked YouTube Studio right now, and I got another YouTube bad baby, a part of the family. I was finna say on the team. Period. We on the team. Period. I like that too. Yeah, y'all. I'm just sitting in my bed, and I just refreshed that, and I just want to say I'm so grateful for y'all. So if you are new, hey, girl, hey. And if you are returning, or you feel me, been rocking with me for some time, I'm so grateful for you, and I love you so much. I'm a Virgo, y'all, earth sign. I feel like the type of person I am too. I'm not afraid to say or tell somebody, you feel me, I'm grateful for you, or I love you. Like, you genuinely never know how much time you have, like right here, right now. So yeah, I'm just always just trying to cherish every moment and be grateful for everything. But yeah, y'all, I did want to show y'all these 7 crystals, y'all. I got these from Five Below, but I just wanted to show them to y'all. I'll also give y'all a close-up look after I'm done filming this clip, because I know y'all probably can't see good. I got my camera facing the other way because I'm trying to switch up the quality, give y'all a little bit of better quality since I'm using my phone to vlog and stuff. I just got out the shower and I'm gonna go to sleep. It is 3 a.m. y'all, but hey, did want to also go ahead and puff on this blunt that I did not finish with y'all. Go ahead and get a few puffs in.
Can you kiss me, boy? We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, oh, it's just principle. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way you move. Oh, 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 you write your name, I can understand.
Okay, y'all, I am back and it's the next day. What the hell is this? Excuse that. But I went to my granny house and I got some stuff that I still haven't brought to my apartment. I got this yarn because I'm gonna insert on the screen what like idea I'm going for, but I really want to make a evil eye pillow, y'all, but different colors. So I'm gonna make one a yellow, this yellow color right here. I don't know if I'm gonna do these 2 yellows because on camera that's not looking too cute. And then I'm gonna also make a pink one. So I'm gonna do this pink. And then I got this right here, this yarn. This is a small circle that I did, y'all. But especially when I crochet a circle, I be needing to look up the tutorial. But basically, this is gonna be how it turned out. So I'll probably do that today. Say hey to Charlie, y'all.
I fall for you every time I try to resist. You can get away. Chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you.
Alright, y'all, I got an instant going. It smells so good. I finished washing my dishes. It was only a few. I was just cleaning with that solution. Charlie, he over there chilling, relaxing, y'all. I cleaned off this table. I just need to put this back in here. What else, y'all? This is just a really light, like mild clean. And this is me. I did brush my teeth today, y'all, but I did not do no skincare. I need to clean this mirror off. My hair is so, it still looks so moisturized. It feels really good. Yeah, I've been vlogging with my back facing camera to give y'all some more better quality. So let me know what y'all think. Yeah, y'all, I got my string lights on. I was just cleaning up, and then I told myself I was gonna take Charlie outside, and then I was gonna come back, get in the shower, and just get myself started for the day, like what I wanna do. Hey. He just been resting here, girl, all damn day. But, yeah, y'all, so that's him. I'm gonna get him some fresh water and stuff. But since it's raining, y'all, I'm going here and just chill and journal and probably roll me a blunt. So I'm gonna catch y'all. The incense going, y'all, it smells so fucking good. And I'm just in here in my room. I am about to roll a blunt, y'all, and then I was thinking if I wanted to watch TV for a little bit, but I don't really think I want to for real. I think I will. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call my auntie and play Fortnite.